welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Marisol and I love to do eye tutorials, so if you're into that, then keep on watching. So I created this look using the new Morphe 24G Grand Glam palette, which is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to talk a little bit about it before moving on to the tutorial. So this is huge compared to their other eyeshadow palettes, and I'm going to show you the inside. As you can see, it is a very neutral, everyday eyeshadow palette. These top two shades right here, you can even use them as highlighters. They are so pretty. You get a lot of matte transition and you get really nice metallic colors. This color right here, you can even use it to contour. These right here as eyebrow shades. This is also perfect if you freelance, since the eyeshadows are so big, which I don't think you'll ever finish an eyeshadow palette. I've never finished one, so do you need really big eyeshadows? Probably not. But if you get a palette with huge eyeshadows, then why not, right? So I'm going to compare this to a regular Morphe eyeshadow palette. As you can see, this one is bigger. And let me show you the actual pans. So if you can see the difference, these are much smaller than these over here, which I don't mind these being smaller. I think they're a perfect size, but if you want a palette with bigger eyeshadows or if you don't have a palette that has neutral everyday eyeshadow colors, then this is perfect and you'll probably never ever run out. I don't think you need this palette if you already have a palette that has neutral eyeshadow colors, but if you want it, then you know, go ahead and get it. And I am not affiliated with Morphe brushes. I don't have a discount code to offer, so this is an honest review. I will always be honest with you guys. So let's see if I could swatch some of these. So they have amazing color payoff, and as you know, Morphe is really affordable. So you get 24 eyeshadow pans, and this palette retails for $29. So each pan is about $1.20, which is good. It's gonna launch on January 16th, so keep an eye out if you're interested. So I'm gonna stop talking and just get on with the tutorial. Alright, we're going to start by grabbing Frenchie from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to blend this on my crease using a Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to blend this on the outer part in my crease and in the inner part of my eye, because we are going to be creating a halo look. Also, make a V shape on the outer part of your eye, and with a pencil brush, I'm going to apply the same color on my lower lash line using a Morphe M431 brush. Now I'm going to grab the shade Baked, and I'm going to apply this in the inner part of my eye, in my crease, and on the outer part, creating a V shape using a Sigma E45 brush. This color is very easy to blend, but you do need to build it up quite a bit because it wasn't really showing up. It is pigmented, but since you're blending away, it kind of does diffuse. Now I'm going to grab a shadow brush, which is from Sigma. It is a E20 brush, and we're going to apply this on the lower lash line, but not as low as the first transition shade. Now, using a flat synthetic brush and some concealer, I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand. I'm going to clean the center of my eyelid and really carve out my crease and then blend it down. By the way, this brush is a Morphe M170. This brush is amazing, especially when you're working with cream products. It's really easy to use and distribute the product evenly. Now I'm going to grab a pencil brush. It is a Morphe M431, and I'm just going to blend the side of the concealer and in my crease without adding any extra product or eyeshadow, and really blend those edges. Now I'm going to grab the shade Crystal from the palette. It is a gold shimmery shade, and using a flat synthetic brush, I'm going to apply this on the center of the lid. Really careful and packing it on, and then with the same pencil brush, I'm just going to blend the edges without adding any product. Now I'm going to grab this glitter. It is just a white gold, very small glitter, and I'm just going to pack this on the center of my lid, right on top of the eyeshadow. And on top of that, I'm going to apply this glitter from Violet Voss in Treasure. It has bigger pieces of glitter, which is so pretty and really makes the center of the eyelid pop. and just press it on using some glitter glue and a flat brush. Now I'm going to grab this shade, which is Glazed, and I'm going to apply this in my inner corner and on my brow bone using a small detailed brush from Sigma. It is an L04. I'll be using my Fake Away eyeliner from Tarte. It is just a nude pinkish eyeliner to really open up your eyes. To finish off this look, I will be applying some lashes from Morphe, which are only $10. Amazing! So to finish this look, I paired it off with a Smashbox Metallic Liquid Lipstick in Rouge A. So I love this color. It's so beautiful. Don't you guys think so? But obviously you can wear a nude color and it will look beautiful. So that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this eyeshadow palette and if it's worth the buck, if you're gonna buy it or not. Bye!